In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio. Start by going to google.com. From there, open Google Sites and choose the portfolio template. This template gives you a clean layout that is already organized for showcasing projects, so you can focus on your content instead of building a design from scratch. Once the template loads, take a moment to scroll through the page so you can see where images and text are meant to go. Next, begin adding your work by updating the placeholder images. Click directly on any placeholder image you want to change. Then choose Replace Image and select Upload. Pick an image from your computer that represents your project, such as a screenshot, a photo, or a design preview. Use clear, high-quality images so your portfolio looks polished. Repeat this for each image area you want to update, and keep your visuals consistent in style when possible. After your images are in place, update the text boxes. Click inside each text area and type your project title and a short description. Aim for concise, specific wording that explains what the project is, what you contributed, and what tools or skills you used. If the template includes multiple sections, make sure each title matches the image beside it, so visitors can understand your work at a glance. Once the main page looks good, add extra pages for key information. Go to the Pages tab on the right side. Click the plus icon to create a new page, such as an About page or a Resume page. An About page is a good place to summarize your background and the kind of work you do. A Resume page is useful for presenting your experience in a simple format that is easy to find. Then adjust the overall style of your site using the Themes tab. Click Themes and choose the color and font style that best fits your portfolio. Keep readability in mind, and choose a theme that makes your text easy to read and your images stand out. Finally, publish your site. Click Publish, enter a site name, and then click Publish again to confirm. Choose a name that is professional and easy to remember, since it becomes part of your site address. That covers everything you need to know.